the same, there we go. People will ask the same question along the lines of getting firm. When should I get firm? Or what? And here's the thing. Is the horse thinking? Is he trying? Are his wheels turning? And also, what mind frame is he in? So are they in a mind frame of, oh, I'm trying for you. I'm thinking, I'm working on this mentally. I'm trying to figure it out. Or are they in a mind frame of, I'm just asleep? Or where some horses are like, no, you do it. Then so you have to, right, and you have to just determine, are the wheels turning? Never tell a trying horse to try. So if a horse is trying, don't just let him try. Let's wait it out. Let that horse work through its mental process, because if you push them now, they're not gonna get it done, or they're not gonna be able to think. Yeah, exactly. Is that sort of? Yeah, I know. It's hard. That's a tough one. It all depends on the situation. But look how much livelier he is. He's much lighter for me. The coming forward part, I can see I'll have to adjust my presentation, step back. But right now, he's just not bringing the life up. When he does, you'll notice the ears perk up. And if I were riding him, I'd be looking for the same thing, that he'd bring his life up and get curious. I'll take that. And then when I walk away, he goes, I understand this part, Jack. Good. There. He follows a feel a little nicer now, as far as when I take my hand off to the side. He's curious about me, which is good. Can you look over there? Good. Can you go over there? We'll work on all this in more detail as far as circling. And now this he must do, and he does it, but see the ears? So he's really not there. Really not free yet. So I'll send him forward, get him a little excited. And then once he gets a little excited, bring him to me. We'll try that again. Good thing we worked on backing, because I'll back. We'll step the shoulder over. I'll send him. Oh. It's not necessarily speed that I'm after as much as I'm after bring up your excitement level. You're thinking my horse doesn't have that problem, but yeah, this is much better coming to me. So it's like, get energetic, come to me, halt. Get energetic, come to me, halt, and you'll sort of bottle that energy in a good way. He'll have it, perhaps it'll be there the next time you want it. But if he gets going, and you know this, but if he gets going, and now we keep working and keep working and keep working, eventually he's going to bring his energy, his life back down again.